Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, we know that healthcare can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in retirement, but those costs can be even more expensive for women, higher than they are for men. Calvin, talk about why that is.
Sure. Well, Jen, the first reason that women have higher healthcare costs is that they live longer. So they're paying in for insurance premiums a lot more. In addition, women are usually the caretaker for the spouse. So when one spouse dies, the surviving spouse is the woman about 80% of the time, which means that when she needs home care or long-term care, there's nobody there to do it. So there are going to be some greater expenses that come with making sure that she is covered in retirement for home care and long-term care. In fact, the average woman spends around $30,000 more just on health insurance premiums over her life expectancy than men do.
And of course, Calvin, when it comes to planning for retirement, healthcare is just one piece. Not only can you help us learn about planning for healthcare costs, but other areas of retirement as well.
That's right. There's a window of opportunity right now while you're healthy to put together a comprehensive written retirement income plan with the tools that we've included in this kit. That way you can make sure you know exactly where your money's going to come from and make sure you're protected for those unexpected expenses for home care and long-term care. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit address the exact options that you have for home care and health care for women in retirement.
That's right. The book, all of those reports about retirement's biggest topics, they're all part of Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. You can call, text, or go online to get it today. Calvin, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report.